Hello, good evening, everyone. Good evening, my dear students. Am I audible? Please show your thumbs up. Can you hear me? Yes. And can you see my file? Is my file visible? Okay, see with my hands, Mehndi wale hands. This is my screen. Okay? Yes. So you all must be knowing as Diwali is coming, so today's drawing is oriented on Diwali. And when we talk about Diwali, we think about Sutli bum, we think about Aloo bum, we think about Chinese bum, whatnot, and Fuljaris and all. But no, our today's Diwali drawing is going to be very different, very unique, without crackers. Because now in this drawing will teach us, we will have to learn to say no to crackers. So let's celebrate eco-friendly Diwali. This is the drawing, the topic of today's drawing. Okay, are you ready? Show your thumbs up if you are ready. Yes, thumbs up with smile. So see, we need a big circle. Okay, this much big circle. You can take your mom's bangle, or you can use base of your water bottle. And a this much big circle. It can be a bowl, it can be a cap, anything. We need this much big circle. And I will suggest, if you have any old this kind of bangle, na, discarded bangle of your mom, to keep it in your kit. Some small and some big caps also, because sometimes we need circle now, so you will not have to rush. Some earbuds, some cotton, some watercolors. Make a kit and keep all things in that. Okay. So what will happen? Last moment, you will not have to rush. See, this is my screen and this is my sheet. Okay. On which I will be making my drawing of. Yes, I will be. So first of all, I will use my drawing sheet in horizontal way. Yes. Is my video, can you see my video? Show your thumbs up. Can you see this? Okay, so see, those who can't see now, please click on active speaker view. As I got message that you can't see video shares, you please click on active speaker view because rest all can see my video. Okay, so first of all, what I will be doing, I will keep it in center. Okay, this is center. Now I will shift this side. Okay, not exactly in corner, this side. Here. I will hold it and I will make a circle. Okay, draw a circle and this is not center, it is slightly shifted here. All of you draw with me. You can use any object, you can use a cap, you can use a bowl, a glass, a water bottle's base, anything, but we don't want any very small circle. No, this much big. Okay, this much big. Okay, yes. And how I use my sheet? Use my sheet horizontally. Horizontally, it means in sleeping position, not in standing position. So this way, I will be making a circle, not exactly in center, shifted this side. Yes, what happened? You can see my screen. Students, please show thumbs up. Now, I will take 2 points. Take 2 points. And after this, these are 2 points. You will be making 2 slanting lines and you will not use scale for this. Okay? You will not use scale. Draw it with free hand. 2 slanting lines. Come on. Draw a circle, take 2 points and 2 slanting lines. Okay, and these are this is last point. Okay, Take last point also of these two slanting lines. Okay, this is a big circle. I took 2 points. And here I will be showing these are two very young kids, two children, very young. I will be making a boy and a girl. And although they are very young, they know what is the correct way of celebrating Diwali. Okay? I will be joining this and this point with a straight line. Okay? We are making drawing on let's celebrate eco-friendly Diwali. Swara, please click on active speaker view because rest all can see my video. Okay? Yes, now from here, I will be extending this line here and here also. You can use scale for making this big line, okay? Yes. You can use scale for making this big line. Join it from here to there. Sorry. Yeah, I will be repeating what I did. I draw a circle with help of big bangle. You can use any other object. I took 2 points. I draw 2 slanting lines. Okay. And then I join. And then I extend lines. Here this side and this side. Okay. Yeah, Trisha, I'm going very slow. You can finish. Okay. Now, 1 and 2 points here. 1 and 2. Same here, 1 and 2. 2 points here. Okay, 2 points here, 2 points here. Okay. Yeah, my YouTube channel's name is My Creative Mom, Leena Bandel. Okay, this is the name of my YouTube channel. Okay, now see from here, this point, I will be going, making a line upwards. Yes, My Creative Mom, Leena Bandel. This is the name of my YouTube channel. This is a point, and I will be making one line here, this side. Okay, both hands up. First, I will make one line. Okay, and I will take last point also. Okay, take last point also. Yes. Okay, now I will be taking one more point near this. Near this. Okay, same ways I will be taking one more point near this. Okay, 1 point here, 1 point here. Now, this point and this second point, you will join. Okay, the point which I took and the point which I earlier took, I will join these 2 points. Same I'm going to do here. This point and this point, I will be joining. Okay. What I did, I draw one hand and this is second hand. Okay, before stepping on, I just want to see the beginning of students. All of you lift up your file. Yes, show. Very good, very good. Shabash. Harshit, you used it vertically, now. It's okay. We were supposed to use it horizontally, but it's okay. Don't erase, okay? You can make one girl just near that. No need to erase, okay? Continue. Okay, yes. Very good. Very well done. You all have done it wonderfully. Perfectly. Okay. And see, today you are going to learn Diwali in a very different way. Suppose any competition is there in your school or online you find any competition, so you can try this. Because this drawing is with a, not only simple, but with a very strong message. Okay, now how to show hands? For making hands, this top point we have now, from here you will be writing U. U. Draw a U. U for umbrella. Okay, U for umbrella. And from here, C for cat. U for umbrella. C for cat. Yeah. Is video properly visible? Can you see the video? Please show thumbs up if you can see video. So please, students, those who can't see and sending me messages, you please click on speaker view or check your internet. Okay? You must be having some problem of this kind because rest all can see my video. From top point, I draw U. From this point, I draw C. This point and this U, I will join with straight line. And don't forget to make one more line to show finger. One more line. Come on. Okay? Draw one more line. Yes. And same ways I will be making this hand also. Acha, tell me, here, from top point, which letter I will write? Will I write A for apple? Yes or no? Just show, move your head accordingly. Will I write A here? Will I write B here? Will I write U here? Yes, it's a correct answer, U. Acha, tell me which letter I will be writing here. Will I write W? Will I write W here? Will I write L here? Will I write C here? Yes, very good. It is C for cat and the C and U join. You will see each and every drawing can be made using letters and numbers. Very good. Whatever you learn, you remember. That's very nice. Okay, so this U, then this is C and a line, and both hands are ready. Okay, finish your hands. Okay, normally making hands, small kids, they find difficult. When they want to show holding something, or so they, very simple. Using some letters and numbers, we can do that. It's not difficult. Show thumbs up if you all have done this. Thumbs up with? Thumbs up with what? What? Tell me. Thumbs up with smile. Yes. Okay. Now, I will be making a line slightly bigger than your palm. Okay. Yes. Slightly bigger than your palm. Straight line. Okay. Aisha, video is not off, beta. You click on active speaker view because rest all can see and do. Okay. See this one line here, and now these 2 points I have now, I will be joining it to hand. This way, see. This point you will join two hand. This point also you will join two hand. Here also join two hand, join. And you will be getting C for cat here, C for cat here. Okay, C for cat, C for cat, C for cat, C for cat. Okay. Don't forget to draw a O inside, small O, small O. Sorry. Yes, I will be repeating hand. What I did, I draw. From here, I draw U. From here, I draw C. I will be showing it here. See, these are hands now. What I did, these are two lines of hand. So top point, I will be writing U. This lower point, I will be writing C. And this U and C, I will join. Okay? And a line. This is the way of making hands. Okay? I will erase this line. Okay? 2 points and you can draw U. Yes, and story. This drawing is having lovely story, but not today. Next time when we will be doing coloring. Okay? You all know during drawing time I don't tell story. During coloring time I always share story which is related to drawing. Okay? Yes. So see, I just draw U. Both hands upwards and don't forget to show lines. To show light. Small lines. Okay? You can make one big, one small also. So now see, using letters and number, the drawing is taking shape. Right? Each and every drawing, each and every diagram can be made using letters and numbers. And this is not about the small kiddish drawing, even drawings of mature people. I will be showing one drawing. Yes, look at this drawing. This drawing is completely made with letters and numbers. Can you imagine? But yeah, this is completely made with letters and numbers. This is 6, then C, then L. Everything is made with letters and numbers. So every diagram, you start searching. And why I always stress on letters and numbers? Because letters and numbers, you write day and night. So they are fresh to recognize and relate. Okay? Yes, now take a point here. If you're making any diagram, start watching what shape I can see, which letter I can see, which Hindi word I can see in this particular shape. So you will observe that and you will find it easy to copy. Right? Yes. I took a point and here I will be making V. V. This is V. Yes, I will come to everyone and that time I will see your work also, Kusum. Okay, after making this girl, before starting boy, I will come see everyone's work. Okay, this is V. Acha, now from here, I will be writing C for cat, C for cat. Show ears. Okay, that's very good that students are winning prizes. And I just forgot to read your name. One student of our class won prizes in talent hunt and lots of blessings. You please send message again so that I can tell everyone your name. Okay. Okay, this ear. Take a point on ear. Okay. Draw. Take a point on ear, and now I am going to use letter J. J for jug. Okay, then so from here, okay, Nivi. Nivi won prize in talent hunt, and we are sending her lots and lots of blessings, Nivi. Congratulations. May God bless you. Keep it up. Okay, now see from here, I will be writing J for jug. How? J for jug. Okay, I took a point on ear, J for jug. Same here, I took a point on ear now. From here, J for jug. And see, I will keep length equal. Okay. You can join. Okay, you can join. Yes, I am going to make a boy also. Okay. And if you feel that you both are brothers in your family, so you can make both boys or both girls, one boy, one girl. I will be teaching both. Okay. And they decided that this time they will be celebrating Diwali in a very, very different way. Okay. This is J for jug. J for jug. Join. Pick up your eraser and erase lines from hands. Okay. Because we want to show that hands are in front. And because of this particular part of hair is hidden. So we will erase. Okay. Yes. Erase lines. Is my voice reaching to everyone? Is it reaching? Please show thumbs up. Aisha, you please check your internet, beta. You must be having some problem. Okay. So you must be having some problem. You please check because rest all can see. Okay. Now eyes. I will be making two small dots. Okay. Small tiny nose. C for cat. I will be using C for cat for small tiny nose. And I will be using D, capital D. D for donkey. Okay. For making smile. How? A line. Draw a line first. Just near nose. Draw a line. And these are 2 points now. I will be making D. See, this is capital D, right? And you can write 3. 3 inside. Number 3. Okay? So now see, this girl is ready. And I want to see that how you all have done. Please lift up your files. Lift up your files and show me. And please for 1 minute, okay? Don't keep it down immediately. Because when I scroll now, when I scroll my screen, it takes little time. So please hold it for 2 minutes so that I can see that the beginning is correct or not. And the way, wow, you all have done it so beautifully. Lovely, excellent. Okay, so this girl is determined. Okay, this Diwali, she will decorate complete each and every corner of house with decorative diyas, self-painted diyas. Okay, lovely, excellent work. Wow, good. And I can see Trina Das is showing Devi Durga. This is of senior batch and it's so beautifully made. Lovely. Okay. Now, so Trina, you are in senior batch? In junior batch? Okay, okay. So you message us afterwards. We will see accordingly to promote you accordingly. Okay. Okay. Now, very nice work. You all have done really wonderfully. This girl with open hair, and in this drawing we learn open hair. Now, younger brother. Okay, younger brother of this girl, I will be making one more circle. Okay, and getting inspired with sister, younger brother also decided I will not burn crackers. I will say no to crackers. Okay, because it is causing trouble for old age people. They can't breathe. For newly born babies, it is making environment dirty and polluted. And moreover, it is making our Mother Earth sick. So they both decided they will be least bothered about where their friends are burning crackers and what ways they are celebrating Diwali. They both determined that we will not create and celebrate pollution giving Diwali. Okay, so this is boy, and this drawing is having a lovely story, but not today. Next time. Okay, next time I will be telling the complete story. These 2 points and draw two slanting lines. Okay. You must be thinking, Kate, we will not burn crackers, then Diwali will be boring. But it is not so. You can celebrate Diwali in very exciting way, even though you will say no to crackers. Okay, next class when we will be doing coloring, I will tell you how you can make your Diwali exciting, joyful, and more enjoyable than burning crackers. What you're supposed to do for making it lovely and interesting. I will share tips next time. Okay. Now see this boy, these 2 points. Yeah, I'm waiting. Finish. All of you finish. I'm waiting. Draw a circle. 2 points. Okay. You will be watching that this is almost same. Figures will be almost same. Okay. Now I will be taking 2 points. 1 point here and 1 point here again. Same ways as I did for girls dress. Okay, yeah. Only this hairstyle will be different. Okay, and even this boy is doing some other work, not with Diaz, but what he is doing, we will see. Now see here, one hand I will be showing up and one hand down. Okay, and see both the hands should be of same size. Okay, one big and one small. Don't do that. Okay, don't forget to take last point. Okay, see now this drawing will give you revision of this drawing. Okay, where to take point, which point we will join. If you want to show any posture, to how to show. Okay, so what I did, I draw a circle. I took 2 points. I took two slanting lines. Then I took 2 points this side. And first I decide position by making single line. This hand is going upwards, this hand is coming downwards. And I will decide that this much here. Okay, I will join it here. So this is join it. Same here. Please don't send useless messages. Only drawing related messages you will send, okay? If you want to ask anything related to drawing or any then only you will send messages, otherwise you will not, okay? Yes. This ways, this hand is going upwards and one hand is coming downwards. Okay? Now here, Finish it. Yes. Okay. And this drawing will give you revision that how we made this. Okay. How we draw hands, how we draw fingers and everything. Now see on this top point, you will be writing U. Now here I can go little fast because now you know how to make figure. This is U. This is C for cat. Okay. This and this point. This last point of U, last point of C, joy. See the method of making boy and girl, both hands is same. From top point I draw U, from lower point I draw C, I join, line, okay? Same ways I'm going to do here, U, C, okay? Now this C and U will join, okay? Draw lines. And whatever you are learning now, try to keep it in mind. So somewhere, sometimes on the spot, if you feel like to draw now, so you will not forget it. Don't forget to draw U here. U. Okay? To show neck. See here we are going to show this is wall. This is lobby. Okay? This is lobby. And in that they are decorating and arranging diyas and all. So this is a wall. And they are standing that side. Okay? That's why legs are not visible. We will be making bricks here very soon. Now I want to show hair. For making hair, I will be using letter V. V. Okay. How? This way. V, V, slightly curved V, big V, small, curved you can make. Otherwise, you can go for straight, small, big, curved, this side curved, small, big, small, finish. Okay. Okay. This kind of hair you can make for boy. And where this finish, don't forget to show C for showing ears. C for cat. Okay. Yes, make hair this face. And when you're making this boy now, you will be actually you're doing revision of same figure. So for any posture, suppose you want to show plantation. Suppose you want to show this girl is doing plantation. So here you can show plants or anything else. So the postures you are learning, na, the figures you are learning can be used at many places for many drawings. Okay. So please keep in mind each and every step. Eyes, small tiny nose, and you can just make a C for making a big smile, very happy. Okay, and if you want to make this face, you can make this face also, but you can just go for a simple smile. Okay. Yes, and if you want to show curly hair, suppose if you want to show curly hair, in that case, what you will be doing? Suppose this is your face. Like, suppose this is your face and you want to show curly hair. So you will be showing this kind of scribbling for showing curly hair. Okay. Yes. Different hairstyle can be tried. If you want to show curly hair, next time in any other drawing, we will be learning curly hair also. Okay. Like today, you girls wanted to learn open hair, so I just taught. So next class, we will be learning curly hair also. Okay. And those who want to make it today, they can make it today. We will just scribble. Okay. If you want to make curly hair. And here you can see just a big smile. Okay. Cute, lovely, big smile. And what he is doing. Okay. You all want to know now what this boy is doing. If your ma'am is not going to make diyas, so what is he doing? Right? Take 2 points and draw a U. Join these 2 points. Come on. Okay, from this point to this point, you join. Okay. And this top line, we have now, I will be marking points. Okay. Yes. Draw this face from this point to this point, a big U. And this top line, I will be making C for cat. C for cat. Okay, this is looking like 3, or we can call it as W. Okay, and this point and this point you can join. Okay, and here you can connect it here in the corner. Okay, you must be thinking, what is he doing? Yes, he made these both, they made a very big string with marigold flowers and ashoka leaves. And he is decorating this lobby and house with this kind of strings with marigold and ashoka leaves. Okay? Yes. Show this first before stepping on. I just want to see that how the work is going on. All of you lift up your files and please hold it for 2 minutes. Okay? Don't remove your file immediately. Hold it for 2 minutes. Sushant, lift up your file. That's great. Yes, very nice work. Many students are busy doing. I will not disturb them. Okay? Very beautiful work. Lovely. Okay, and here I can see Ridan made a cap on boys. No, this is a girl with Judah. Okay. Ridan made a girl with a top Judah and lots of flowers decorated over it. Very good. And see, this ways I can see that you all have implemented your creativity. And few of you have made lovely patterns. And few of you have made both girls. In few drawing files, I can see both boys. And in few files, I can see three kids are decorating. So this is your creativity. Very good. This is the best part. You try to imbibe your family everywhere. And it shows your love for your family. Now what I'm going to do, I will be making the string with flowers. Circle. Okay. U all around. Okay. This is a string with flowers. And we will be making flowers all around string, but we will not make even a single flower untidy. Okay. Every flower we will be making beautifully done. And next time, students, keep your earbud ready and watercolors ready because these flowers we are going to do with earbuds. Okay. This is a complete floral string. And this time at the place of purchasing ready-made plastic flowers, they decided they will purchase marigold flowers, ashok leaves, and they will be preparing their self-made strings and will decorate their whole house. Okay? So they both prepared and they made lovely rangolis. Yeah, with rangoli, I remember. If you will visit my YouTube channel, you will find underwater rangoli there. Okay? And even small kids of your age can make that. Okay? So you can visit my YouTube channel and learn that underwater rangoli and you can make it. And the best part of that rangoli is this, it is portable and it lasts for many, many days. Okay? It don't get spoiled easily or quickly. And story I will be telling next time, beta, because today while drawing time, now I keep telling you about take point here, then line from here. So story rhythm get broken, and even the learning, the rhythm of learning also get broken. So I prefer telling you stories while doing coloring. Yeah, this drawing is also having a lovely story behind. Okay, see, I will be completing. Okay, the next time I will be definitely sharing a lovely story. Yes, this drawing is having a beautiful. The name of my YouTube channel is My Creative Mom, Leena Bandil. This is the name of my YouTube channel. Okay, many of you wanted to know what is the name of my YouTube channel. Okay, chalo, finish all flowers. Okay, and he's decorating strings with lots of effort. See, arranging and upwards and a big string, and she is busy decorating house with the, and you can see lovely smile. They are not missing crackers. Ki, oh, Diwali is going to be so boring as we are not burning crackers. Rather, they are happy that this ways they are going to take care of Mother Earth, of old age people, their Dadaji and Dadiji. है ना? Each and every flower should be beautifully done. Okay, don't make untidy flowers. Otherwise, what will happen? Drawing will look untidy. Each and every corner should be very beautifully made. This ways you will be completing. Okay. You can see this complete floral string is done. So what this boy is doing? He's decorating his complete house with floral strings. Okay. Yes. Finish it. You can make different kind of flowers if you want. Okay. Otherwise, go for simple flowers. This is simple O and U all around. Okay. And you will not give outlines in this because these flowers we are going to make with earbuds. So keep your earbud and watercolors ready next time. I can see students are yes, and those want to know about free activities now, be active on our Facebook page because we normally float the information on that only. Okay. Yes, I can see all are busy making string. Yes. Before stepping on, I just want to see your work. All of you lift up. Okay, those who are making strings, they can continue. Otherwise, they can show. Afterwards, you can continue. Okay? Yes. Shabash. It's so beautifully done. Okay, this is full view only, beta. This is full view of my file. See, paper is, you can see paper from here to here. Very, very well done. Very good work and very creative things I'm watching. According to your family, you add two or three, or both the boys, both girls, and this ways. Huh? Here I have little space, so I can make a diya. But if you don't have space, don't make. Okay. Show a line and show a small line. Okay. The way of making diya I'm teaching. Here I have space, so I will be making one diya. Okay. Here you don't make. And if you have space, you can make one here also. A big line and a small line. Okay. Big and small. This is a small line and the corners join. Corners join. So you will be getting a perfect shape of deer. Okay? Yes. Join it. Boy is decorating house with string. Okay? They both together made big, big, long, long strings. And now they are hanging in their lobby and they're going to hang it here. This is wall now. They will be decorating. They decided that this Holi, they will not purchase anything from market. Hand painted diyas, handmade diyas, rangolis, and vandan bars. And night time, they decided that they will. I will not tell you today. Okay? In story. That is going to be the secret of. Okay, now here, show this kind of C for cat. O. Come on. Make lines. Hmm. Okay. And don't forget to show this kind of lines. Say if you want to show a pony, na, suppose you want to show a pony, here they see, for girl. So you can just show S this way. Okay. See, all hairstyles we will be learning. Okay. So right now you all make this open hair and pony will be made this way. As I got message just now, please show how to show pony. So I am showing you. But what I will be doing in different drawings, we will be learning different hairstyles. So you will understand and learn all hairstyles. Okay. So today, in today's drawing, we made open hair. How to draw open hair. Okay. Yes. So this diya is ready. And here, if you have space, you can make it. If you don't have space, you can leave it. One. In this corner, one. Okay, and if you feel that there is no space, then you can leave this. I'm making a deep stump. Okay, line. This kind of hangings, decorative hangings also we display. So, this kind of earthen lamp they got, and I'm going to show that only as decorative part of Diwali. This is a big line. First, I draw one. See, if you want to show pony, this is a girl now. After making hair, you can just show S and C. So you will get ponytail. Okay. Now see, this is a line, a small line, and join it. Same here, a small line. You can make 3 diyas. If you see according to place, it's all decorative stuff you will be making according to availability of space. If you feel that no drawing will look very congested if I will make so many things, you don't make. Okay, you can drop it. As I have little space and I'm finding it uh, empty now, so I decided I will be making this diyas. Okay, I will be making diyas. Okay, this vase is hanging deep stump. I will be showing with diyas. And very simple. It's a big line, a small line, and I joined. Yeah. Okay. And any other thing like hanging star, the colorful star you want to show, candle you want to show, you can show anything of your choice. Okay. I just want to show this decoration piece. I find it beautiful. Okay. Spreading light. So I will be making this very simple one, but if you don't have space and if you feel that this part is completely filled, so don't make it. Yeah, make this kind of deep sum. See, this kind of things also add life to your work. Okay, this hanging lamp, this hanging diya stand, and this kind of thing add life. Okay, and so many decorative things. So if you feel that I want to add this thing or that thing, so you can try that also. And this you can drop also. Okay, yes, very simple lines. A big line, a small line, and just make flames. You can make 2 or 3 flames. Okay. Yeah. Very good. Very good. I can see students have done it very nicely, and many students made this complete string. And afterwards, they ensure that they have to skip this. Okay. Yeah. Very good. Very good. Hanging light is looking so beautiful. Now let's complete wall. Okay. Wall is also left. How to make wall? First, you can use scale for this. Okay. For making the sleeping lines, you can use scale. I will be making lines. Okay, equal distance. If you feel like to leave your wall like this, you can leave it like this. If you want to give it effect of bricks, as you can see here, so you can give effect of bricks also. Okay, it's absolutely your choice. So, do you want to give effects of bricks? Yes, want to give or want to leave it like that? It's your choice. Okay, if you feel that no, only stripes are looking great, I will fill different colors, you can do that ways also. Okay, yes. Now see students, this drawing of Diwali is done. Let's celebrate eco-friendly Diwali. So the very first step of making drawing with pencil is over. Now what is our second step? In every drawing, our second step is giving outlines with black sketch pen. Okay, so as I can see, we have 7 minutes more. So let's finish this outlining part also. Okay, so pick up your black sketch pen. But before that, I just want to have a look how work is going on. Please lift up your files. Huh. And those who are doing, they can continue, and rest can pick up their files and show me. And even you can see work of your friends. How beautifully you all have done. Yeah, it's really looking great. Shabash. Okay, very good. So here one boy, one girl, determined to celebrate pollution-free Diwali. Okay, determined to save environment and nature. Both are looking great. Shabash. Very nice work. So after making drawing, our second step is outlining. I will pick up sketch pen and say in flowers don't give outlines because flowers we are going to make with earbuds and with impression. So I will be giving outlines in boy, girl and remaining things. Only in flowers I will not give black outlines. So let's get started. Okay. Okay. With black sketch pen, the very first step we draw, and now this is second step we are doing. We are moving sketch pen on our drawing. Okay, this is second step of our drawing. So very carefully, let's complete our work. Okay. We will be moving sketch pen all around. Very carefully, okay? And don't pressurize your sketch pen. Will not pressurize, okay? Okay? Yes. This way you will be completing outlines. Okay, very carefully. Black sketch pen you will pick up and let's give outlines. Siddhant, you can, if you don't have black sketch pen, beta, so you can do one thing, you can wait. Okay, if you feel that it is manageable afterwards. And if you think that you're supposed to finish work, then if you have any other dark colored sketch pen, you can pick up with, start with that also. Yes, we will be doing with black sketch pen only. Okay? Yes. Small. And you can see after giving outlines, our drawing looks neat and beautiful. Okay, in this drawing, you can see I make bricks. So this is your choice if you want to make this kind of bricks you can make. Otherwise, you can just simply make this kind of lines. It will also look good and more neat, I think. Okay, and because of this only I decided, okay, I will go for stripes only. See, those who don't have black sketch pen just now, they can give outlines afterwards also, okay? You can give outlines afterwards also. Okay, and only in string. In flowers, I will be doing only in string. Because flowers I'm going to do with earbuds. Okay, so because of this only, I will not give outlines in flowers. Very carefully, you will be completing your outlines. And one more thing, outline help us in, that is focus. Because what you are doing, with lots of focus, you are moving your sketch pen on lines which you draw earlier. So it improves your focus and help gaining stability in your work. Now your work become more stable because while doing sketch pen on lines, you need to be more focused and you move very carefully. It's very helpful in gaining stability. Yes, see, now this boy is also about to get over. Okay, and remaining outlines you can do in homework. So no need to hurry. Okay, see if we will not complete. You can finish it in your homework. Okay, if your outlines are left, you can finish it in homework. Okay, so this ways, this boy, girl, Vidya is done, and see this hanging candle is left. So this outline you can do in homework. Okay, and even your more things are left, so don't worry, that can be done in homework. Before leaving, I just want to have a look. All of you, please lift up your files and show me. Okay, you can continue outline after class. Okay, don't worry. You're not bounded. You just lift up your work and show me so that I can see and check. Okay. Yeah, all of you pick up. Akshara, Liar. Yes, pick up your file. Show me. And be very good. Very good. Shabash. Good. Okay, see, the figures are so simple that anyone can make it. Okay, so please don't forget these figures because many competitions, sometimes in school especially, and as things are going online, so they can ask you to show pollution free Diwali, cracker free Diwali. So hopefully this drawing will definitely help you out there. You all are busy with outlines. Very well done. Wonderful work. Okay. Yeah. And with this, I will be winding up my class. May God bless you. Bye bye. And next class, be ready with earbud and watercolors and crayons. And be ready for a lovely story. Keep yourself ready, okay? Coloring with story next time. May God bless you. Bye.